Before moving to Angular for the front end development, so we can do one more change in our screens. Currently, if we look at our screens, the admin underscore functions page, we have these buttons. So in the sidebar, we have these buttons, and in the main content, we have these buttons. Let's look at these buttons in our code. Let me open the admin underscore functions page. And these are the sidebar buttons. And these are the buttons in the main content. But if we look at these are actually divs. And we applied the classes like btn-raised and other classes like tile to make it look like button. So in the Angular development, since we are going to target the events like click events, we have to have buttons to add the click event. So in these buttons, we can do that because those are actually buttons. But for these divs, which looks like buttons, let's try to make it like actually a button. So let me comment this. Let me first copy this. And after that, I'm going to comment it. So let me paste it, and I will delete this anchor tag because if we have a button, we don't need that anchor tag. We can directly target the click event of the button in Angular. So instead of div, I will change it to a button, and this one also changed, and I will save it, and let me refresh now. So it still looks same, and one thing we notice, that is these letters become uppercase. So that should be one of the rules that we have added. Let me check. In our main.scss, so we have added this button text transform to uppercase because we wanted that to show in uppercase for these sidebar buttons. But I prefer these buttons to have the camel case. That means only first letter is in uppercase, the rest are in lowercase. So to achieve that, what I can do is I can apply a class to these sidebar buttons. Sidebar btn. And here instead of all buttons, I will add button sidebar hyphen btn text transform uppercase. So now we only added that class to this one. So this one is in uppercase and others are uh, in the case where only first letter shows in capital and others in the lowercase. So I can add the same class to other two sidebar buttons. So those are in uppercase and these are in the normal um, case where first letter in uppercase. So I will make these other buttons also uh, actual buttons, not the divs. So I'm going to the next tile. So I will remove this ahref and change it to button. Similarly, I will do the same thing for other buttons as well. And one more thing, because we added this new class here in this CSS to apply the text transform to uppercase, we only change the uh, class here in our admin underscore functions. We only added this class in this page only. So we have this sidebar in every page. So we may have to add the same class in every page. These are also sidebar buttons. So that's something we can do to make all the sidebar buttons look same.